So this little bonus video is about our first month of our expedition, including unseen footage, because my god have we recorded a lot of footage.
Oh, all the footage, just unable to put phones and cameras and things down. It's just been everything. I think we've just been so excited about getting out that it's just, can't stop recording everything. Brilliant.
So there's lots of lovely cinematic footage coming your way, but we've got a few little questions, a few little topics to talk about as well, to let you know what we thought about the month so far.
What did I think about setting off? Basically, was well ready for it. I think we'd planned to the point where we just needed to get going. And then we had the bit of nervousness still for getting down to the tunnel to make sure that the pet stuff was all sorted and that there was no problems with it. So as soon as we got that stamped and everything, we were just a little bit lower and more excited than nervous. And then on the train, brilliant. Off the train, seeing all the French signs and stuff, it was just like a weight had been lifted and you didn't need to hold your breath any longer. And that was it. We were there.
So for me, setting off on the trip, pretty much the same sort of thing. It was just the getting into France and knowing that you were then free, that park-ups were coming easy to you, road networks are much easier to navigate, there's less traffic on the road, and just the excitement of setting off and doing some things that we'd never really done before. So it was like the unknown of what's to come.
I think for me, the first initial excitement was getting over there and seeing Rob and Greg and Lou all parked up ready. They knew we'd not been shopping, so they brought out some beer and snacks and stuff, and that was brilliant. And we obviously got to go to Amsterdam and Gatehorn and a little bit of Denmark with Rob, which was lovely. And got the time to ourselves because we do still like you, which is always a bonus.
Thank you.
Sometimes it's nice just to get it's a bit less complicated, isn't it, with just the two of us travelling. So it just seems a little bit easier, and so a little bit of time exploring, and then seeing Asha Marie, which was wonderful, and then getting Alex to come with us, who's an adventurous soul just like you, which has caused a few detours so far.
2 at least.
Oh yeah, but it's been wonderful so far, and this is just a month in.
I think for me, coming into France and finding the little park up with Greg and Lou and Rob, and then doing our things and a bit around Amsterdam, and obviously meeting Asha Marie, and then obviously spending some time with Alex, travelling around all the Arctic places and everything else. That's made quite a good impact for me of just the differences of people's opinions and where they want to go and what they want to see. So that's been quite a good influence on our trip.
The best park up spot, you see, it's getting difficult now. I would say at first it was the one by the estuary with all the herring that was there.
Okay.
That was just before the day before we went to see Asha Marie, wasn't it? Because that was amazing. I was blown away by that one. But I do think that it has to change to the Norwegian fjord where we had the campfire, and I went for my swim, and we saw the Northern Lights for the first time.
Right,
that
okay.
there was my absolute favourite because it had everything and we did everything.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
My favourite park up so far is the one in the forest that we went to with Alex. It was the one that had the wood store. It was on the edge of a lake where there was also that free bunkhouse thing you could stay
my
in.
birthday.
Your birthday park up, you see?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, good choice. My best day was I don't know which day it was actually, but the ferry day.
Okay.
Because I managed to beat down a few of my fears on that day. So
Yep.
ferry ride, which I was fine with, an Arctic swim, which was cold but brilliant, some Arctic fishing, campfire on glacial rock at the side of a fjord, and the Northern Lights putting on a tremendous show. Literally could not have packed more into that day. And we drank whiskey. It was brilliant. Definitely best day.
I think it's the same day for me, but for slightly different reasons. Obviously, I didn't go swimming. The weather was the best it's been for about a week.
Yeah.
We got sunshine, which made the park up that we'd chosen absolutely spectacularly cinematic. Yeah, we had a good time. You guys swimming, you went fishing. Great park up. Like I said, the views were spectacular there. But I think the fact that the Northern Lights put on a show that was just amazing, I can't put it into words other than to say I've been to the Grand Canyon and it left me speechless, and the Northern Lights didn't leave me so speechless, but
all the swear words came out.
yeah, I was very, 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 very excited about them.
Yes.
So yeah,
you were very
Yes.
much so. Yes,
Very
it was
excited.
made me chuckle actually, because
Yeah.
it was just, but it was phenomenal, literally. And I know that some people have seen the Northern Lights for the first time, and it's just been like a little bit of a green haze on the horizon. We were treated to a spectacular show. We could not have asked for them being any better.
Cathedrals of Light.
Cathedrals of Light, John.
Firefly, how short is life? I dreamt we had more than 20. I have seen this before, and I have lived more than plenty. Now lay me in the ocean. Why lullabies? I've used my time. Now lend me to the ocean. Sing my songs when I'm gone. I know sorrow, I know pain. Let them have me if I'm ready. All them skies know our names. When it's time, burn me steady. Then lay me in the ocean. Why lullabies? I've used my time. Now lend me to the ocean. Sing my songs when I'm gone. That's just right, that's just right. White noise in the night. That's just right, close your eyes.
Yeah, this is obviously coming out at exactly 1 month of our expedition. The next video that's going to follow on from this is going to be our Arctic Circle trip, which includes Northern Lights.
Yes, it does. So you get a few spoilers in this video for sure.
Yeah. So yeah, you need to make sure you are ready for what's coming in the next video, because it is, well, it's basically kind of epic.
Yeah, it's a good one. Yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
I hope you've liked the video, and I hope you appreciate the different format of this video as well. If you do, then I might do it more often.
Yeah.
Right then, so yeah, make sure you are watching out for the next videos coming out, because it's going to be absolutely bloody fantastic.
Oh yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Even I can't wait to see that one.
Yeah. So take care, guys, and we'll see you on the next video.
See you next one.
Bye.